Hey everyone! Ever wondered how hospitals are built from the ground up? Let's dive into the fascinating step-by-step process of creating these life-saving institutions. First up is the pre-design and planning phase. This begins with a needs assessment. Here we look at demographics like age, health trends, and population density. We also do a health needs analysis to identify necessary services like maternity or cardiology. And of course, we check out the competition, existing hospitals, and service gaps. Next, we develop the project brief. This outlines project objectives like building a 300-bed tertiary care center and defines the functional scope, including inpatient, outpatient, emergency, diagnostics, and rehab services. We also plan for future growth and expansion. Then we move to site analysis and selection. We consider accessibility. How close is the site to major roads and public transport? We check utilities like power, water, and sewage. Environmental impact is crucial too, considering noise, pollution, and flood zones. Lastly, we conduct topography and soil testing and review zoning regulations to ensure compliance with local building codes. Now we're on to the schematic design phase. First, we handle departmental planning. This involves determining space and adjacency needs for each department and optimizing patient movement, staff circulation, and supply and waste flow with flow diagrams. Next is the master plan. This includes the overall site layout, building footprint, roads, parking, green spaces, and emergency access. Then we create the functional layout, zoning areas by functionality such as public areas, clinical areas, technical zones, and support spaces. On to the detailed design phase. We start with architectural design, planning room-by-room layouts, modular planning for future flexibility, and designing for natural light and ventilation. We also use soothing colors and non-institutional materials to create a welcoming environment. Structural design is next. We ensure seismic compliance, especially in earthquake-prone zones, use reinforced concrete or steel frames, and calculate loads for equipment-heavy zones. Then there's MEP design, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. For mechanical, we focus on HVAC with HEPA filtration and isolation areas with negative pressure. Electrical systems require dual power supply with backups and dedicated circuits for imaging and life support. Plumbing involves potable water systems, gray and black water management, and medical gases. Don't forget specialized systems like nurse call systems, fire alarms, IT infrastructure, and security systems. Next, we enter the construction phase. We start with contracting, selecting general contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers, using BIM for coordination. In execution, we handle excavation, foundation, superstructure, facade, roofing, internal finishes, and equipment installation. Safety and compliance are crucial throughout, ensuring on-site safety protocols, inspections, and quality checks. Finally, we reach commissioning and handover. We test systems like HVAC, electrical, and fire alarms, and train staff on equipment and safety protocols. We also secure licensing and accreditation from relevant authority. Post-occupancy, we perform evaluations to assess workflow efficiency, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments. Maintenance and operations are set up with preventive schedules and waste management systems. And that's how hospitals are built. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious.